What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. This is day 2 at the yard, and today I came for the seats. Let me show what I got. Walking around in the junkyard. The first car that caught my eye was this 2009 Volkswagen. This engine's out. But what really caught my eye is these seats. There's some nice ass seats. The only thing I'm concerned about is how wide it is. But I ain't never seen these seats before, and these things are nice. Black leather, got like a little rip right here. Console's a little short, but I'd probably go custom with that. I like the cup holders. It's kind of small though. Got a sunroof in it. That's a big sunroof actually. That's a really big sunroof. Shit, I might have to look into that. That's a giant sunroof. It kind of curves, so that may work, it may not work. But yeah, that's nice. That's huge. I never see one that's like half a panoramic. But yeah, back to the seats. This is pretty nice. Got the bolstered back. Door panel's too short. If you were to use these, you have to extend it. I'm thinking more G-body than like Caprice. Back seats, super nice. Dang, is that a cup holder? Yeah, I gotta turn a light on for that or something. A little armrest in the back. I had to measure that too, because these little these side pieces can come out, but you can use these too. But yeah, that's some nice seats. So this is definitely a possibility for Gully, which you guys will see who Gully is later. Yeah, but I rock with it. I like the seats. I like the sunroof. That thing is giant. If you're looking for one of these, 09 Volkswagen. So before we got out, I had to sit inside the seats. It really holds you, man. Like, this is something you need for, like, if you're going fast, these things will grip you on both sides of your waist. So I get a better back. Got the light on now, so you can see the back seats.
Oh, sorry. Hey, somebody needs to move us out of the way here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Try to jack me from my back. But yeah, these seats, they like grip you, man. I kind of like them. It's like a glove fit. So if you're looking to go fast, these are it. And I think if you lean them back, they'll be a little more comfortable. But they remind me like Charger seats, especially if you're a big dude. Like, they grip you and that's it. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.